Welcome to this masterpiece of modern living, recently completed by Robert Elliott Custom Homes in the coveted White Rock Valley of Lake Highlands in Dallas, Texas. The beauty of this home is it's only 2 miles from White Rock Lake and only 10 miles from downtown Dallas. Step on in, look at this house, Patrice Leanne. Right to your left is a huge dining room. Is this like one of the biggest dining rooms we have seen?
It really is, and we don't see a whole lot of dining rooms anymore, so this is something else.
They are coming back though. This thing not only has one big dining room, but it has a huge breakfast area as well.
It does. Look at the chevron pattern. It's so pretty.
Love the chevron pattern, and I love the floor to ceiling windows.
Yes.
Right on the front of the house. It's really nice.
Yes, and as we make our way back to the right side of the house, you can see this beautiful office that they have in here with these also floor to ceiling-ish windows. Not quite to the ceiling.
It's not quite to the ceiling, but you get our point.
But look at it's got these beautiful beams up there.
I love the beams. I love the color.
Yes, it's a great color. And we will put the colors of this house up for you in case you're wondering what these colors are.
And one thing that doesn't come through is that they're just completely solid wood. Doors, construction, big baseboards. It's just got, everything is laid out perfectly.
And this is solid wood flooring for sure. And does not make a sound, which is so nice.
All right, so what's right to the right here?
To the right, we have a secondary bedroom with its own bathroom, which is so nice.
Now this is the only bedroom downstairs and it's not the primary. That's kind of unique for Dallas.
Yes, and so here is the bedroom with these 3 big, beautiful windows in it.
But nice for a guest or for a...
Very nice for a guest. And as we make our way back, you can see these stairs leading to the second story.
I love that wrought iron staircase.
And then to the right, we're gonna go into this huge area, which covers the kitchen, another dining and family room area.
Yeah. Now, as you approach this entryway or this hallway, to your left, right here is the kitchen with a 6-butt island, Patrice Leanne.
Yes, let's go ahead and show that.
6 butts.
The nice thing is this is quartzite countertops, and these are natural stone, and they are, I mean, they're beautiful. They're beautiful to touch, and the difference between quartzite and quartz is that quartzite is a natural stone where quartz is man-made.
Well, thank you for the education there, Patrice.
Betcha. And the color of this countertop actually is called Taj Mahal, which is kind of fun.
Yeah, that is nice. And then I love the Thermador appliances.
Yes.
You've got 6 burner plus a griddle, 2 ovens, top of the line all the way around, and look at that fridge.
Look at that fridge. You want to go open that fridge?
Absolutely.
Let's go show them the inside of that fridge. I'm going to kind of
I just
come around
love
here.
how it's built into the cabinetry and you can't tell.
It looks very pretty.
Yeah.
It really does.
It's top of the line. And the dishwasher does the same thing.
Now, which one is the dishwasher, Andy?
Well, it's this one.
It is that one. The other one is the trash.
The other one is the trash.
Nice, nice.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
pretty.
Now let's look at this butler's pantry
Let's do
and snack closet. I know some people had questions why we call it a snack closet. That's an inside joke between Patrice and I and you educated viewers of ours.
Yes.
It's what our 3-year-old called our pantry. So
Actually, his aunt's pantry, but
Correct.
this one's very nice. Look at you've got lots of shelving in there, and then you even have room like down there if you want to put big things. I mean, that's kind of nice.
That's for all those Costco runs, but look at this.
That's
What
right.
about that? Everybody wants fancy ice these days, and this has got a ice maker. So right there for you for all those cocktails. And if you're not a cocktail person, you just want some wine, well, it's got a wine fridge as well. They've thought of everything right here on this particular
Is everybody
house.
as into ice as you are?
I don't know.
That's a good question.
I don't know. Now let's go take a look at that humongous family room.
Look at how big that is. That can fit quite a bit of furniture in there. It's got 2 spots in the floor for plugs, for lamps and things. You could put your TV above the fireplace without having to look too high up. It is beautiful. And look at those windows.
It's 33 feet by like 20 feet, something like that.
You can have like a dance party in this area.
I feel like you can,
Telling
especially
you.
right now with it being empty.
Yeah, and then look at this big, huge second dining area. I think I might make that into something else besides a dining area though.
This breakfast area, you talking about good size, it's like 15 and a half feet by like 15 and a half feet. This thing is giant. And I love how it has that floor to almost ceiling windows.
It does. Let's go check out the upstairs. Now we're upstairs, and up here there are 3 secondary bedrooms, but we're just going to show you one for now, just so you get an idea, because they all look pretty much the same. But look at
High
these
vaulted
high
ceilings, all white with that white ceiling fan. You don't even notice that the ceiling fan's there.
I like these windows, how you can wind them out and wind them back in.
That's
So
what I love
nice.
about this home is that it's in an older neighborhood that is seeing some renovations going on, and it just blends right on in. But all of these bedrooms have their own ensuite. They're fantastically built. As we're walking down, now we're heading towards the game area. Now look at this room. It's
This
huge.
is another huge room. It's got a big, huge closet over here to put board games, all your media room equipment, whatever you're using. I would assume you'd probably use this as a media room also. But look at this closet. It's got plenty of space for whatever you need to make this a great game room.
This room is 18 feet by almost 20 feet. Really, really good size. I could picture a nice pool table, maybe a card area, or a media room. Black out those shades on those big windows, etc. And hey, pocket door. Patrice, what is up here? This is unique.
This is unique. It's an upstairs laundry. You've got this beautiful countertop with a sink in it. And then on the other side, you've got more cabinets and then a space for your washer and dryer with the nice countertop on top. Good sized laundry. Some people are not a fan of it being upstairs, but some are.
This is where I just picture a whole family living here with their kids, we have so many clients that want, their bedroom with their kiddos all on the same floor. So that is really nice. And then having the laundry, all your mess and everything is upstairs and isolated from downstairs. Now this is the primary bedroom, and this thing is huge.
It is huge.
It's like 18 by 20. I mean, it's a really good size, and I love all the windows.
Yeah, but look at this. The shower is probably my very favorite in here.
Yeah, this primary bathroom, let's just say that Patrice has got some ideas.
Well, look at this bath. I mean, look at this shower. It's huge. And look at the color of the tile. I mean, it's gorgeous. I do love it. And then they've got this nice tub right here, good sized tub. Probably want to put some window coverings on if you don't want your neighbors watching
nice
you
view.
take a bath. But look at these marble countertops on these sinks.
Yeah, everything's real and legit.
Yeah,
This
it's
isn't
gorgeous.
This isn't the fake stuff.
I like the little sconces that are in the mirror, so pretty. And then also look at this flooring. All right, we're gonna go check out, well, this is nice too. Should point that out. These are nice cabinets to put your towels and things in. You can never have too much cabinets for that, that's for sure. And then look at this huge closet.
That place for your gowns.
Yes.
All those gowns for all those
gowns, 'cause you know
all those parties that we go to.
And then all these drawers. I mean, this is very nice in here.
Yeah.
Good size.
What about the patio?
Let's go check it out.
And now we are going into the patio.
Look at this patio. It's got a nice built-in barbecue.
Very nice barbecue and a really good size lot here for this part of town, this part of Dallas. So it does have the gate over the driveway, giving you complete security with the 8-foot board-on-board fencing. And that's an electric gate that goes through. This is a rear entry, so your garage is on the back of the house. Well, we hope you enjoyed this fantastic home by Robert Elliott Custom Homes right here in Dallas, Texas. And like I said, this thing is 2 miles away from White Rock Lake, 10 miles away from downtown Dallas. This thing is out of control. Very nice. But if this house does it for you, give us a call. You know who to call. Your Texas real estate experts right here, and Andy Patrice. And if this house doesn't do it for you and you want to check out an amazing Toll Brothers house, then watch this video coming up next. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.